Hi friends, today we'll be making fried modak. For modak stuffing, these are the ingredients: almonds, dry coconut powder, grated coconut, almonds, jaggery powder, and cardamom powder. For modak, you would need 1 cup of wheat flour, salt to take, 1 tablespoon of rava, semolina. You would need 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. We'll add warm ghee to coat the flour with it really well for making our modak crunchy. So I'll heat it and mix it in the flour. So I've added the warm ghee. We'll mix it. Now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of milk. Milk is optional. If you don't want, you can avoid that. You can heat milk with the ghee only, or you can take room temperature milk also. This step is really important: coating of flour with the ghee which is warm, so that all the particle is been coated, and the end will leave the dough, and the end product, that is the modak, will be crispy because of this process. The semolina which we have added will also help us to make it crispier, and we'll keep on mixing it till we get the texture like semolina, and it will give a very good aroma. And then we'll keep on adding little water at a time. We'll not add more water at a time, so we'll be making it into a smooth dough. Now we'll knead for more 15-20 minutes after this point and make it smoother. Then we'll keep it on rest for 30-35 minutes, and we'll cover it and keep it for resting. Meanwhile, we'll be preparing our stuffing. In this, now we have replaced maida. Instead of maida, we are using wheat flour. We have added semolina also, and we are using homemade desi ghee, and I'll be using jaggery instead of sugar. So we'll try to make it in the healthier version of modak. One, put some oil at the end. I'm done kneading for 15 minutes. Now we'll just cover it. Stuffing our coconut is grated. I have not added water. So it should be dried only, and I have transferred. So for 1 cup of flour, you'll need 1 cup of coconut. This is the jaggery powder. For 1 cup of coconut, you would require approx half cup of jaggery powder. I've taken almonds. I have chopped it into small pieces. You would need cardamom powder. I have roughly crushed the cardamom powder. So we'll start with the stuffing. I'll take a non-stick pan. We'll put roughly 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt. Ghee is melted. At this point, you can add khaskhas powder if you want. I will not use it. I'll be adding coconut. Mix it well with the ghee. For 2 minutes we'll heat, and then we'll add the jaggery powder. This mixture you don't need to cook as much, like it is just for the mixing purpose, so hardly it would take 5 to 7 minutes. And now we'll be adding the jaggery powder. Let it mix till the jaggery is dissolved and it's mixed properly with the coconut. Then we'll be adding the cardamom powder and dry fruits. You can also increase or decrease the quantity of jaggery as per your taste. People add sugar, as we are going for the healthier option. We are using jaggery. Trust me, it will also good, like taste very good. You can see the nice color. Now we'll add almonds and cardamom powder. Now as you can see, it's giving very nice color and the texture is really good. It's giving very good smell. Now I'll switch off the gas and let it cool. So our stuffing is ready for the modak. It's smelling really good. All the jaggery has been melted and mixed with the dry fruits, cardamom. So a sweet healthy stuffing is ready. Now we'll check our dough. It's ready, and now we'll knead it for more 15 minutes to get it more soft like texture. Now we'll knead more, and then we'll be making small balls or peda shape. So how you can do is this. You can make small pudis like this. So I made the little ball. So we'll make small puris on this roll pin, and all this we'll grease it so that it won't stick into it and it will be smoother for us. Or you can put it in the peras. Knead it in a way so that the edges are thin, so when we'll make it into the sack structure or a potli shape, it won't be thick. As it is wheat flour, you need to roll it a little thinner than what we make it for maida usually. What you can do is just lift in the palm, then lift it in the palm, then you have to make it like a potli shape and make pleats from all the sides with the edges and make it in the center, then squeeze it and remove any extra dough is remaining. You need to take care of the shape so that it is not torn or it is not leaking from anywhere. We'll show one more. Press it with the palm, then secure the edges making pleats, and then you have to remove the extra portion by pressing and making it thinner. Modak is ready. Likewise, I'll keep all in the plate once it's ready. Pleats will give this curve shape, and then keep on pressing the tip only till it is thinner and all is molded well, and take care that nothing is coming out the stuffing which we have put in. If you don't want to use your palm, then you can just secure this in this way on the board itself by pressing it the stuffing, and then support it on the board only. You can make the shape of the modak, the sack structure, and then remove the extra portion as we always did from the tip. Like this I will make for all the modaks and then get back to you. So all my modak are ready. Modak is ready, and now I've kept the oil for heating. For checking whether the oil is heated properly, you just need to put little dough which we prepared into the oil, and if it is coming fast, then you have to slow down the flame, and if it is coming at a normal space at upper side, then it's ready to fry now. We'll secure each and every modak before frying and just place it in the oil safely. Keep it in the medium flame. So till golden brown we'll be cooking it, we'll be frying. We'll put small quantity initially to check any modak has been broken or not. It can flip once the little color is being changed. You should evenly fry it with all sides to give it a nice color. You should fry only in the medium flame. You should not put this in the high flame. See this nice color. Modak. You can stop at this color. I will show one more darker also. See how beautiful it is. Now we'll fry others. So our hot modak is ready. We'll remove the another set of modak. So this beautiful color is getting. So here is my hot modak ready. You can see the beautiful color in this. You can enjoy this modak hot also, and even if it is cooled down, it is equally tasty. And you can store this in the container for 3-4 days. It won't get spoiled. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback. And happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all.